Not many people are interested in buying a student's 18 pages research paper, but a student's handmade artwork now is a different story. KU students major in ceramics, textiles, and metalsmithing are displaying their works at the annual holiday art sale today on the 4th floor of the Kansas Union. 70% of the proceeds from the event goes to the student artists themselves, while the other 30% goes to the students' art clubs. The clubs use the money to pay for studio materials, club trips, and other needs. Ceramic artist Amy Ayers said the holiday sale is a great way to display students' works to a new crowd.
This way, the public that doesn't normally, filter through the art building ever or anything like that, or has any exposure to those types of things, they get to witness and see what we've been working on and see a lot of good stuff.
Already have purchased over $1,400 worth of ceramics. That's well over last year's 3-day total. The sale continues tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.